In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your money with Notion. We'll start from a blank slate, grab a ready-made money management template, and tailor it so it clearly tracks your income and expenses each month. Open your browser and head to Notion.com. If you don't already have an account, you can create one in moments. On the sign-in screen, choose the Google option to log in quickly. Select your Google account, approve the prompt if asked, and Notion will drop you into your workspace. At the top left, next to your workspace name, click the small arrow to open the workspace menu. From here, select Templates to browse Notion's template marketplace. In the search bar, type Money Management. You'll see a variety of options. Choose the money management template that fits your needs and click into it to preview. When you're ready, hit Add to bring it into your workspace. If prompted, confirm which workspace you want it added to. Next, click See Template to open the new page. Take a moment to get oriented. You'll typically find a dashboard with linked databases for incomes, expenses, and a monthly overview. This template is meant to work for you, so feel free to edit labels, colors, and properties so they reflect how you think about money. Common properties include amount, date, category, and notes. If the currency isn't showing the symbol you use, you can adjust the number format in the amount column options. Views are powerful here. A table view is great for data entry, while a grouped or filtered view helps you focus on the current month. You can also duplicate views to separate personal and business items if that's helpful. Open the Incomes page and start setting up your income sources. Add each entry with a clear description, the payment date, category, and the exact amount. If you have repeating income, create a quick entry template or duplicate a prior row and just update the date and amount. Consistent naming keeps your reports easy to scan. Now head to Expenses. Add your daily spending, subscriptions, and bills with the same level of detail. Choose categories you'll actually use, like rent, utilities, groceries, or transport, and keep them consistent. If you track receipts, use the Files or Media property to attach them right to the row and jot quick notes for context. Finally, open the Monthly Income or Monthly Summary view. Here you'll see totals and differences across the period. If the footer doesn't show a sum, open the column options and set the aggregator to Sum so you can confirm your totals at a glance. Adjust filters to the current month so the numbers reflect today. And that's it. Your money management system in Notion is ready to go. Keep it updated regularly, and you'll always know where your money stands.